Baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petal is Bliss here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY. It's going to be a mirrored wall art. So let's get into the items that we will be using. Okay, I have these gems here that I had gotten with some tea lights from the Dollar Tree. They came with the pack of tea lights and these were in there also. And I also found them at Dollarama, you guys. But Dollarama doesn't sell them with tea lights. They just sell them by themselves. So either way you can get them. And I have these picture frames here from the Dollar Tree. And the large mirrors from the Dollar Tree also. And we have some foam boards from the Dollar Tree that we'll be using. All the items that I'm using will be listed in the description box below, so you can go out and check it out. And let's get started! Alright you guys, we're going to start with these gems here. And we're just going to bling out our picture frames, which I took out the back of the picture frames. We're just using the outer part like you see here. And we're just going to bling our gems going all the way around.
Baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you.
And now we have our foam board, which we cut to size, and we're just going to be placing our mirrors on them, and then we'll be using some E6000 and gluing our mirrors to the foam boards, you guys. Now we have our frames, which we're going to glue down, and you could use the Fix-All or the E6000, the Fix-All from Dollar Tree, or you could use the E6000. Anyone will do fine. And now we're just going to put our frames down on our top of our mirrors, and then we're just going to glue them down with both the E6000 and the glue gun. Baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone. Tell me why. And now with our frames all glued down to our mirror, we're going to add some more gems going up to the center where our mirrors meet, just to cover up that big line and also just to add some more bling to our design. Alright everyone, here's the finished look. I think it looks very nice with all these gems going around them. It's a nice way to add bling to the picture frames, and it stands out and looks very nice.
Baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize.
Alright everyone, give me a thumbs up, Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of these blinged out picture frames on our mirrored wall decor. I really like how the gems look. Anyways, and if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Bliss. Bye bye, everyone.
Baby, baby, yeah, baby.